monthly test.
Les services radio météo et bonjour météo sera de façon permanente le 16 mars 2026. La prévision est disponible via le système radio de la gare de Côte-Pierre. Visitez canada.ca/météo. Téléchargez l'application mobile Météocam pour obtenir votre information météorologique locale. Please note that the weather radio and teleweather services will be permanently disconnected on March 8, 2026. A radio marine forecast available via the Canadian Coast Guard. Visit canada.ca/weather or download the WeatherCam mobile application. For your local weather information. Forecast very.
Okay, so I don't think that was a required monthly test. I think that was an administrative message. So, my EAR10 either goofed or maybe they decided to tone it as a test. Interesting.